Hello everyone and welcome to Adobe Photoshop 2025 lesson number 19. We're going to be talking about the type menu. So let's head over to Photoshop and take a look at the type menu. So we're inside of Photoshop and we're continuing from the previous lessons where we talked about the layer menu, image menu, edit menu, and file menu, covering the main menu here. So let's talk about type. Now there's not a lot of options here, so this is going to be a quicker video than normal than what I've been doing. So Adobe Fonts. Adobe Fonts is connected with Creative Cloud, which will take you to a web page or the Creative Cloud app, desktop or web, and then you can select fonts there and organize your fonts. And I'm going to tell you a cool story about this. I love Adobe Fonts because the way that it used to be before they had Creative Cloud and really high-speed internet is you had to store all your files locally on your computer. And it would bog down your system so much, you wouldn't believe how slow it was, okay? It's not even comprehended by most people how slow your machine could get if you had a lot of fonts on your computer. And I like fonts. So I had a lot of fonts on my computers all the time. You still have to have some fonts on your computer to be able to function with your device, but generally speaking, it's just easier to have stuff on the cloud because then it syncs up with what you're doing and you don't have to look and search for fonts and fight with your system to get it to work and all that good stuff. So it just makes it easier for you to be able to do the things you need to do quickly and effectively and without issue, okay? So that's really the gist of that. So that's Adobe Fonts. Now, the next thing we have is panels, right? So I'll go down here. So you have the character panel, the paragraph panel, the glyphs panel, character styles panel, paragraph styles panel, okay? Anti-alias, okay, orientation, so we have horizontal and vertical. We can create a work path, convert to shape, rasterize type layer, convert to paragraph text, warp text, match font, font preview size, large language options, update all text layers, manage missing fonts, load default type styles, and save default styles. So when we start doing projects, we will do a type project. And we'll go through all of these in depth, and I'll show you exactly how they work so you get a better understanding of the type menu. So that is an overview of the type menu. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching Adobe Photoshop 2025 on Techemy on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get an update anytime we upload new content, and check out the videos below to learn, practice, improve with Adobe Photoshop 2025.